Tasty Tuesday. My name is Maya and I will be your host for this episode. On this episode, we're making something super yummy, one of my favorite desserts that are healthier. We're going to be making a strawberry chia pudding. This is a great substitute for ice cream or pie or custards, as it's filled with yummy chia seeds, fruit, probiotics from yogurt, honey. So I'm sure this is a recipe you will all love once you try it. So this recipe is super easy because everything can pretty much be made in a blender. So to start off, we're going to start off with 1 cup of milk. We're using whole milk, dairy, regular cow milk, but you can use any milk of your choice. Next, we are going to add 1 cup of yogurt. Again, you can use any yogurt you want. We're using regular yogurt, but if you like plant-based yogurt or Greek yogurt, that's also fine as well. So we're just going to measure out 1 cup and add it. So now that we've got the yogurt measured out, we're going to add 1 cup of yogurt into the milk. Be careful because it may splash. We're going to add a 1/4 cup of honey. You could also use maple syrup if that's what you prefer. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And we will also add an entire bag of strawberries. So you can add anywhere from 12 ounces to 16 ounces, but this is a 16-ounce bag. So we're going to go blend this off camera. You're going to want to blend it until it's a smooth puree, and then we're going to add the chia seeds. So now that everything has been mixed into a puree, we're going to pour it into a bowl and then add 1/2 cup of chia seeds. So the next step is really easy. It's really just a waiting game at this point, waiting for the pudding to gel up into its pudding form. You can either leave it in the bowl as is and put it in the fridge for minimum 4 to 6 hours, or even leave it overnight. Or you can already put it in each of the cups that you're going to take to your holiday party, your work party, your family party. So we are actually going to put them in their individual cups from now. So each cup can take about a cup of the mixture. This is a 1/2 cup that we're using to measure. And then we'll put them in the fridge and let them do their magic. So our recipe made about 7 cups. You can, measure the recipe to however much you want or need. But these are looking really good, and we're going to pop this in the fridge for about 6 hours or maybe even overnight. But in the next shot, you're going to see it all done. We're back in the kitchen with our strawberry chia pudding. We let it go overnight, and it couldn't be any more perfect. We've already tried one, and it tastes like fresh strawberry ice cream. We garnished the top with some fresh blueberries, and I think this will be everyone's next staple dessert for whatever holiday